Hey, welcome. Today we are going to learn Git from scratch. If you've ever been confused by Git commands, this video will clear everything up. I'll explain every command, show you visuals, and keep it super simple. Let's go. So what is Git? Imagine you are writing an essay. Every time you save, Git takes a snapshot of your entire project. If you mess something up tomorrow, you can go back to today's version. That's version control. Now GitHub is just a website where you store your Git project online so others can see it and collaborate. Think of Git as the tool and GitHub as the cloud storage for it. First things first, tell Git who you are. You only do this once on your computer. Then to start tracking a project, you go into the folder and run git init. That creates a hidden .git folder. That's where Git stores all its tracking data. You won't see it normally, but it's there, keeping track of everything. Clone means download. When you see a cool project on GitHub and want the code on your machine, you run git clone with the URL. It downloads everything, the code, all the branches, and the full history of every change ever made. It's like photocopying an entire notebook, not just the last page. This is the workflow you'll use every single day. You change some files. Then you stage them with git add. This is like selecting which files you want in your next snapshot. Then git commit saves that snapshot locally on your machine with a message describing what you did. Finally, git push uploads it to GitHub so others can see it. Add, commit, push, that's the rhythm. Remember this. Let me show you the commands. Git status shows you what's changed. Files in red are modified but not staged yet. Git add stages them, now they turn green. Git commit saves them with a message. Always write clear commit messages, your future self will thank you. Then git push sends it up to GitHub. That's it, 4 commands and you are done. Pull and fetch both download changes from GitHub, but there's a key difference. Look at this diagram. Git fetch just downloads the latest code but does not touch your working files. You can review what changed first. Git pull does fetch and automatically merges the changes into your code. Pull is the shortcut, fetch plus merge in one step. For beginners, git pull is totally fine. As you get more experienced, you might prefer fetch so you can review before merging. Here are the actual commands. Git pull origin main, that's the quick way. One command, everything updated. Git fetch origin, that downloads changes but keeps your code untouched. You can then check what's new with git log, and when you are happy, run git merge to bring those changes in. Same result, just more control. Branches are super important. Look at this diagram. You start on main, commits A, B, C, now you want to add a new feature? Don't touch main directly. Create a branch, it starts from where main is now, at commit C. You make changes on the branch, commits D, and E main stays untouched the whole time. When your feature is ready and tested, you merge the branch back into main. That creates a merge commit F, main now has everything. If your feature was a disaster, just delete the branch, main was never affected. Git branch shows you all branches. The star shows which one you are on. Git checkout-b creates a new branch and switches to it in one command, very handy. You can jump between branches anytime with git checkout. When you want to share your branch on GitHub, push it with git push origin followed by the branch name. And once your branch is merged and you don't need it anymore, delete it with git branch-d, keep things clean. Once your branch is pushed to GitHub, you open a pull request or PR. This is like saying, "Hey team, I made some changes, can you review them?" Your teammates look at the code, leave comments, suggest improvements. Once everyone is happy, you click the merge button on GitHub. The code from your branch goes into main. This is how real teams work. Nobody pushes directly to me. Everything goes through a PR. Stash is a lifesaver. Imagine you are halfway through writing code on your branch, and someone says, "Hey, can you quickly check something on main?" But you can't switch branches with unsaved changes. Git stash takes all your uncommitted work, hides it in a secret pocket, and gives you a clean folder. Now you switch branches, do your thing, come back, and git stash pop brings everything back exactly how you left it. Nothing lost. The commands are dead simple. Git stash saves and hides your changes. Your folder is now clean, switch wherever you want. When you come back, git stash pop, everything is restored. You can also run git stash list to see all your stashed items if you stashed multiple times. Think of it like a stack of saved states. Cherry-pick is slightly advanced but super useful. Look at this diagram. Someone made commits X, Y, and Z on their feature branch. But you only want commit Y, maybe it's a critical bug fix. You don't want to merge the whole branch. Git cherry-pick lets you grab just that one commit by its hash and apply a copy of it to your current branch. It's like picking one cherry from a tree instead of taking the whole branch. Here's how you do it. First, find the commit you want using git log --1 line on the other branch. Copy the hash, that's the short code at the beginning. Then run git cherrypick followed by that hash. Done. That one commit is now applied to your current branch. The rest of the other branch is untouched. Very precise, very clean. Some tips before we wrap up. Never push directly to main in a team project, always make a branch and a PR. Write clear commit messages, fix login redirect loop is good, fixed stuff is terrible. Always git pull before you push, if someone else pushed changes, you need them first, otherwise you'll get conflicts. Add a .git ignore file so you don't accidentally commit junk like node modules or your secret environment variables. And most importantly, if you mess something up, don't panic. Git keeps a history of everything. There's almost always a way to undo. Let's recap everything. Git init or clone to start a project. Add, commit, push, that's your daily cycle you'll use 100 times. Pull or fetch to get updates from your team. Branches and checkout to work on features without breaking main. Stash to save work temporarily when you need to switch context. Cherry-pick to grab a specific commit from another branch. And pull requests for team collaboration and code review. That's Git in a nutshell. Start using it today. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Thanks for watching and good luck.